Okay, real talk. Omelets are great, burritos are better. But a hot dog omelet burrito? That's breakfast turned upside down. Let's make it. We're starting with 4 eggs that will crack into this bowl. Add some salt and pepper. Give it a good mix for 30 seconds. I'm adding diced onion and a yellow pepper. Slice the hot dogs into coins. Turn up the Blackstone to 375 to 400. Pour in some avocado oil. Add the hot dogs and cook for a few minutes. I'm using Kinder's Woodfire blend. It has smoky salt, pepper, and garlic. It's going to add a ton of flavor to these bland hot dogs. Next up, cook the onions and peppers until they're soft, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Season with some salt and pepper. Pour down some more avocado oil and brown the frozen hash browns. It'll only take a few minutes to get them crispy. Chop them up a little, not too much. Pour out the eggs and stop it with a spatula because the Blackstone surface is sloped down. After the eggs have set, add the filling. I love this cremosa sauce. It has some great heat. Fold over the edges like a burrito. Heat the tortilla for a minute to soften. Then build the burrito. Brown the burrito on the flat top for a little on both sides, not too much, just until it's crispy. Pour out your favorite salsa for dipping. Now that's breakfast with a 6-pack. Slice and enjoy. Oh wow. That is so good. Omrito. Coming down my arm. Oh wow. More cremosa. That's fantastic for breakfast. That'll definitely wake you up. So good. Great with a hot dog. You gotta try this. I'm gonna absolutely devour this. Woo.